At the store, we have been hearing that some of you still have a hard time finding us here in Sioux Center. And as you can see, this is where we used to be located on this corner, which is now the new Central Vet Clinic building. And so this is the route you would take. You head north here on Highway 75. It's not far, it's a matter of minutes. Past the scooters if you can resist. If you need to, grab yourself a little McDonald's sandwich on the way. Enjoy the sunlight. Just need to tell you that we are sitting in our store waiting for you to come. Anxious to help you out with any part needs that you might have for your vehicles, your hydraulic systems. We've got a little bit of everything. Paul Poppin and Colin Dreesen will be there to help you figure out what's the best deal for you. So now we're going to take a right here, going to head east on 22nd Street, northeast, between the rental center and Mile Motor. Just going a few blocks this way. To the east, take the first intersection, take a left on 2nd Avenue Northeast. See those blue buildings over there? That's a blue NAPA building waiting for you to come. Head north again here for a couple blocks. Take a right on 23rd Street, northeast. Take a left here in between the 2nd and the 3rd building. And there we are. Unit number 5 on the north end of the building. We're anxious to see you. Come on down. Take a look.